Hey everybody, it's Tyler again. Now I'm going to show you how to remove a front fender. Locate your main screws right on the side here. Make sure you use a screwdriver that's big enough. You don't want to use one that's too small, you'll strip the screws out. Now this screw is very difficult to get out, so I just switched from the Phillips head to the flathead screwdriver before I did any damage. I didn't force anything, I didn't do it too hard before I did any damage. I switched to the correct tool. And it loosened right up. Gently lift the fender away. Very simple. Try to keep track of all your nuts and bolts. And you want to remove the fastening screws in the back half of the front fender. Gently remove that. And your front fender is officially removed.